Hey everyone, this is Nupsu. In this video, I'll show you my full process of bringing a character into real life straight from a simple idea. The main inspiration for this project is actually a photo I took last summer. The original painting looks like this. I just thought this guy looks funny trying to hold the goose with that unpleasant look on his face. Made couple of sketches and I really like the idea of him holding the goose in his arms like this so their eyes are aligned. And just like that, the boy and the goose minifigure idea was born. First, I need a reference image, so I'm drawing over my lines in Aseprite. I use this color palette lately. You can also find lots of cool palettes at Lost Pack. Now that we finally have our reference, I can start blocking out the shapes in Blender. Before making the arms, I decided to model the goose first, so the boy actually has something to hug.
What the dog doing?
I still have a hard time making the arms, so I'll try using a Bezier curve here to control the angle a bit easier.
What the dog doing?
most of these shapes just by adding loop cuts and extruding faces. It looks okay for now, so let's move on to the texture. I'm using Affinity for drawing my textures. I draw with the vector shapes first and then adjust the texture image in pixel mode if necessary. This looks fine for now. Let's apply the texture to the model. I'm using an emission shader with no lights in my Blender scene. So using darker shades for those areas fakes a nice baked shadow effect. Here is the updated texture and the final UV layout. I added a simple plain object for the cape and the modeling part is done. To print the model in multiple colors, I separated the body parts like this. I exported those parts as STLs and imported them into a new project in Bamboo Studio. And this is my printing setup. I'm using a bambulab A1 mini printer with AMS light. right now is printing the Goose with 0.2mm nozzle. When it changes colors between objects, it automatically purges the filament in the nozzle and loads the next one. Now printing the final part, the cape. And this is the old trash we got for a 5cm model. Time to remove the parts from the build plate. This is how they look printed with normal supports. Now I'm cleaning the supports. Cleaning out the connector holes and checking to see if everything fits together. I'm using acrylic paint markers to draw the details. They work quite well on PLA because they have really bright and opaque finish and also dry super quick.
What the dog doing?
And here all the parts painted and glued together. I'm putting the head into its place and the model is complete. I'm so happy with how this little guy and his goose turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.